Matthew again. This is our third strategy for today. Don't forget we're in profit already, so let me close this right here to start over again. Okay, so we are trading the boom 500 index in this strategy. This is our third strategy for today. And if you haven't watched all our previous strategies today, don't forget to subscribe to all our channels. Here are the links again. We are going to paste all this in the video decision on YouTube, so check the video decision on YouTube to subscribe to all our channels. And this is a link to purchase the binary PIPSREAPER automated trading bot for deriv and binary.com, and this is a link to purchase the TOUCHSCALPER bot also for deriv and binary.com is automated. So this is the link to sign up for a free trading account, since we are trading on the MT5. And for those who don't have an MT5 trading account, once you click on this link and sign up, it will take you straight to this Deriv page right here. Then on the top left corner you click on this, then you go to the DMT5, you click on the DMT5, then you go to real account, then you click on the synthetic indices, you click on add real account. So it's going to open the synthetic indices account for you. Make sure you note your account details and your password. And so anytime you want to launch the MT5, all you just need to do is to click on the add real account here. Then it is going to open this MetaTrader web trader interface. So once it does that, before we proceed with the strategy, these are the links to subscribe to our channels. This is the first channel, this is the second channel, and this is the third channel. So check the video decision on YouTube to view all these links. So let's get back to the trading. So I'm going to close this by default. I'm going to close this so that everything will be clean. So once you close this, we are going to be, since we are trading the boom 500, the first thing you have to do is to go to options. You unmark this one click trading. Make sure it's not marked. It's usually marked by default, so make sure it's not marked. Let me mark it for you to see what I'm talking about. So you can see I've marked this, so I'm going to unmark it again. So I've unmarked it. So the next thing you have to do is to right click on this boom 500, then you click on chart window, then you click on M1, you click on M1, then you click on the line chart. So we're going to be working with this last number here. Once it's going down, once it's dropping, the last number you can see is dropping 6095. So we're going to click on the sell by market, then we enter the volume or we want to trade. I'm going to be entering 10 right here. So once it's still going low, you can see it's still 433, 431. We're going to click on sell by market, then you click on OK. So our mouse has to be here. We click on this close. So the moment we're in profit here, we're going to close the trade. Don't let it run too long. You can see we are close to profit there. We're in profit already. 0.21, 0.24, 0.51, 55. So once it's around $2 or 1 point something, you just close it so that it won't rebound. So 1.36. Let me wait for it to hit $2. So if you want more profit, you increase the volume here. If you want more profit, you can set the volume to 50, so that the profit, you can see that's 2 point something. I'm going to close that there. So let's place another trade. Let's watch the figure again. Once it starts from 900 and it's dropping down, that's 986. Okay, you can see it jumped right up there. We have to wait. We have to wait for it to, okay, 918. Let's wait for it to drop down a bit. So it drops down 853. So we click on sell by market again. Let me set the volume to 20 this time around. So we click on the sell market, then we click on OK, then we click on close. So once we're in profit here, we're going to close the trade. Okay, let's wait for the profit to go up a bit. 1.46, 1.78, 1.86. Okay, 2.26, 2.38, 3 points. Okay, let's wait for it to get to $5 so that we can take $5. 4.82. Okay, 5.42. Okay, let's close it there. So you can go on and on and on. Don't forget to subscribe to all our channels for more upcoming strategies. Thanks for watching. Bye.